Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain you how you can create an AI chatbot app using MIT App Inventor. Let's jump right into it. To begin, we'll start a new project inside MIT App Inventor and name it something relevant like Chatbot AI App. Once we have our screen ready, we'll set a simple background color to keep the design visually clean. Then, we'll place a few core components on the screen: an image for illustration, a text box for user input, a button to trigger the response, and two labels, one for formatting and another to display the chatbot's reply. Once the layout is ready, we'll go ahead and adjust the basic properties like setting the text box hint to invite user questions and making sure the button has a clear label like "Answer me." The label for the chatbot's response will be left empty so it can be filled dynamically when a response is received. After completing the design, we'll add some essential functionality from the media section, including a speech recognizer and text-to-speech to make the interaction more natural. From the experimental section, we'll drag in the chatbot component, which will actually handle the AI responses. Now let's move to the blocks section to program the behavior. When the user taps the button, we'll take the text from the input box and send it to the chatbot to generate a reply. Once the chatbot responds, that message will be shown in the designated label on the screen. At this point, we can optionally activate the speech recognizer to ask the user if they'd like the reply to be read out loud. If the user responds with something like, "Please read it," then we'll use the text-to-speech component to read out the chatbot's reply. If the user says no or provides no clear command, the app won't read the message aloud. And that's pretty much the full setup. With this approach, we've built a simple, interactive chatbot app that listens, answers, and even speaks if needed, all using MIT App Inventor's drag-and-drop environment. This app is beginner-friendly but powerful enough to build on for more advanced features.